See you, dogs. Sure was nice of you to show us cats such hospitality. And for taking care of our numero uno cat pal, TC.
You're telling me I was serving a cat? Get him!
If those dogs find out I'm a cat, I'll be dead meat!
Stop running away, Tubby!
Huh? Who are you calling Tubby, Tubby?
Ooh, you really think I'm Tubby? Orange makes me look chubby. Hey, like, nice tie. Is that silk? Mine's like prison-issued denim.
What are you doing cavorting with the enemy? This is a riot!
Stop copycatting me.
Looks like this is it, boys. My one regret is I won't be able to pull off any more cons with my old gang.
I'll never woo another lady.
I'll never be chief of police.
I'll never live long enough to see this sunburn wear off.
Oh, and I'll never know if this secret exit door in the sewer ever opens.
Well, I guess that's that. Gentlemen, let's get ready. This gang is moving to Detroit.
Oh, Detroit? What do you mean? We gotta rescue Trixie. She's been held prisoner by Strickland.
Well, sir, good.
No, TC. If it weren't for her, we never could have rescued you. She's the one who told me you were innocent.
I think you owe Trixie now.